everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the OnePlus Open. I've been using it for a few months now, and I haven't done an updated video in a while, so I just want to give y'all an update on my experiences with it so far. I purchased this from their website, back in the day. I think, October or something? I don't remember what day it came out. And, it took the market by storm, I would say. A lot of people loved it. A lot of people are still enjoying it. It came in at a good price point. But there are some problems that I'm having, and there's some things that could be better. I can't wait to see what OnePlus does with the Open 2, because I think they nailed it. I think they came out of the park swinging. It has a great form factor, and people in Texas cannot drive. Look, I mean, bro, come on. Let's go faster. But let's go and let's get into it. The things I don't like about it is some of the software issues, as far as not being able to change my icons, like putting 5 or 6 in a row. Also, not being able to separating the home screen, my cover screen from my main screen. That is annoying. I wish they would fix that. The other issue that I have is some of the apps still I won't say some of the apps. If I put everything on the home screen, like my app drawers, all of that disappears still to this day. And actually, earlier this week, it happened like 2 times in a row on the same day, and it was just annoying as heck. And I know other YouTubers, I think Mr. J. Williams actually mentioned that too, that he had the issue. They said an update was supposed to fix that, and I am still having that issue today. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but that is definitely an issue. Everything else has been really good. One thing I noticed too is the antenna bands on here are not as strong, say, as my Galaxy Z Fold 5. So when I'm at work, I can get a lot better reception. I can get a lot better speeds on my Z Fold 5 than I'll get on the OnePlus Open. I don't know why. I guess the bands are not as strong. And I usually have that problem with OnePlus's phones too, and Google phone. For some reason, Samsung has the best antenna bands, the best reception, the best speed at my job. I don't know what they do differently. If y'all working at the field, please let me know. But I noticed that the other day too. And another thing that I noticed, or at least my kids would tell me, sometimes when I put them on speakerphone, they can hear like this weird noise in the background, and they're like, "What is wrong with your phone?" And they pretty much laugh at my phone. So those are the problems I have. But overall, when you look at the build quality of this phone, you look at the hinge, the crease on here, this phone is built top notch. You don't have a problem with it. And if you do, I don't understand it, because the overall build quality on this phone is great. How light it is really good. How good the seam looks, between the both panels are really great. So no issues there either, which is, remarkable for what they did on their first time. And they have the screen size, like a perfect screen size too. So that's always a good thing. The cameras on here are really good. Not, are they the best of the best? They're really good cameras on here. I like what they do with the photos and the videos. I have done a comparison between them. I just haven't done the work between the Z Fold 5 and the OnePlus Open. I do like how the Z Fold 5 takes the photos better than the OnePlus, but I don't have any complaints with it. I show people the photos I take with this phone, and they love it. The cover display, I mentioned the inner display is great, the crease and stuff, but the outer display is a perfect size for a folding phone. It's not like too skinny and you have to open the phone all the time, and it's not too big where you don't want to open the phone either. So it's like right between the Google Pixel Fold and the Z Fold 5. So it's like a perfect size of phone there. Overall, the software experience is good. I mean, the OS is all right. I wish, I wish they went back to their roots, but they won't. They use their same Oppo thing, but just name it a different software. But overall, the experience with the phone, the Snapdragon chipset in here is good. You don't have any complaints with any of that at all. I don't know anybody that has a problem. Price, we always talk about price of phones. This was what, $14.99 if you traded in any type of phone, which was good. So no problem with the price. Battery life, I can get through a day and a half sometimes without having any type of battery issues. So I am happy with battery life still. I want to see, the only question I have with OnePlus, and Samsung had to fix theirs, how long will this crease and how long will the hinge last without having issues? Because most people buy these phones, they're going to buy it for like 3 or 4 years. They're not going to go flip a phone in the next 6 months like we do here on YouTube. Like, as soon as I can flip this phone, I'll probably flip it or sell it and get a different phone. A lot of people keep their phones for 2 years, so I just want to see the durability. How long will it last when a normal person uses this phone? So that will tell time. I mean, time that will come out. We'll see how long it lasts. I'm not getting rid of it anytime soon, but, I will update y'all with my experiences. If you have the phone, let me know. Do you like it? Are you enjoying it? Do you hate it? Do you return it? What y'all think about the video now? Because this is, like I mentioned earlier, this is the Open's camera, 4K at 60. I'm not using any external mics or anything. Y'all let me know how everything looks. You can see like a cold front coming in with the clouds. That looks kind of cool. But I don't want to make the video too much longer, so I'm going to wrap it up there. Overall, I'm still enjoying it. Is it the best folding phone? It's up there, man. It is up there with the best of them. I haven't tried out any other, foreign phones or imports. So for me right now, it's pretty much, I would say, a tie between the Z Fold 5 and the OnePlus Open. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus Open. Also, I will be getting the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so stay tuned for that. Follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.